Hello valued Amazon customer. Thank you for choosing Rosenthal Collections for carefully curated products. To achieve the best performance out of your new chain nose pliers, we decided to make this video just for you. Our 5-inch chain nose plier is the most versatile tool used for making jewelry. They're very good for opening and closing jump rings and grabbing or bending wire, which I will demonstrate in a second. These pliers have multiple bonus features. They're made of stainless steel, which means they're rust-free. They have a box joint, a non-slip grip, a nice tapered tip, and a flat, smooth mouth so they don't scratch your jewelry. Here's how you wrap a wire loop. Clasp the wire around the bead and bend the wire at a 90-degree angle. Now, how to open a jump ring. You can use another chain nose plier to hold the ring while opening up the jump ring with another chain nose plier, like this. Or, if you don't have a second plier handy, you can just hold it like this. Now just grip and twist. There you have it, simple and easy. After watching this video, you still have questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.